Kailera video kungwan, Kailera video kungwan, Mala Kurun Wang, Chiboron, Bolkana, International Radio America. Raja Yakatong Kotong Netinat, Kajan Guadron Wang, Guru, Titipu Queen Yetibiarodun Falfinka Kajan or we want Kalu, Kawobi Yalandian, Bian Kanok. And Walla and Wallani, younger Walkel, Kapaida, Ron Kisne Dangro, with the Janangro, with the Kel and Jano. A lurk yen now the international radio fan, the aloe yen Gajuaga, a low take to running Michaka Wallet, Los Angeles County, Manquala Cholke, Orange County, Los Angeles, California. Lunu Dongdi Lunki Yen Chanka, well a pan lakin, Kanamakit running here Watako, Yigian, Los Angeles to Dar Salaam, Tanzania, and Yano. Melunu bateke 2 week Dar Salaam, Tanzania. Chajian pan Kadiolani, Shineben Dar Salaam, Tanzania for 2 to 3 week courses. Shet Kamanga Yanu courses Chabela Lana ye, but mostly Bawa Ladia whenever she take a good time because it is a sensitive, it's a part of the government unit training me Guruke Natin Contin Cha Select. Ka gortin enjano gunu bia tenga chu kan benga kalai fano ka diolani mlono chajian from Los Angeles on Wednesday the 10th of February to Dar es Salaam, Tanzania enjano mlono bata wana make the past 2 to 3 weeks and then better turn chung ka United States of America the hometown of 10,000 lake enjano gunu ba la larian fan dia altila international fan and which again from Los Angeles training week at Tennessee, and then to Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. Again, Guru will be at Tangaku, Chaya permissible Wednesday, but I did not make it due to the progress of the training and Jaguru Bakawananka Dar es Salaam. Milano and Taman Taka reception came in to talk to Chakama, Ku Bakoluj Ka Menlanea. Going over my friend Bagabalala, she can be there of where about me and Jan, going to be attending who from Los Angeles, California, a week after, and then to Tanzania yesterday. And Jan, to the Kanu Gobala Yakatong and another guru over my fan around the world bigger thing, Kokwata to Chip Baron Boltino, Milono Chevenka, East Africa, the capital city of Tanzania, Malachal Dar es Salaam for 2 to 3 week courses. After I done with this, maybe to Juba, and then Juba, and then back home. Take a can go Valaya Katona, Katona, and I could then walk one wang and me. He knew what to run and what for. Gwajaja, Bakawa direct to southern Sudan capital Juba, and then from there, Donda Kulutaka Kana, Madonda Rokula Nyok, Yen, Luindakaye. Melonu, the way I look right now, Cheremeba Luinjokaye at least. By the 5th of March or 6th of March, because now I'm up to 2 weeks, Paka Juba, and then Juba, Mintakoman Lane, Wathugalani, and then back to 10,000 Lake, Minnesota, USA. And Taya Kamal will meet you very soon. I know I miss you and you miss me, but I have to do what I can for the life living style that we all in doing. Again, Chibronbo. Kana International Radio America, here in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, East Africa. Thank you.